Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses southern Iowa, northern Missouri, and central Illinois. Cities in today's slate include Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, and Decatur, Illinois. There are three marginals for today. One covers Far-Eastern California, most of Nevada, northwestern Arizona, western half of Utah, and extreme southwestern Wyoming. A second marginal today covers southern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, northwestern Texas, the Texas Panhandle, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Kansas, most of Nebraska, parts of Iowa, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, most of Indiana, southwestern Ohio, most of Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, and far southwestern Virginia. And a third marginal today covers the very far extreme northeastern tip of New York State, northern Vermont, most of New Hampshire, and all of Maine. Cities in today's marginals include Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Las Vegas, Nevada, Omaha, Nebraska, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Going to today's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today covering southern Iowa, far northeastern corner of Missouri, central Illinois, and central Indiana. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Indianapolis, Indiana, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, and Davenport, Iowa. And now for the wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today covering southern Iowa, far northeastern corner of Missouri, and central Illinois. The 15% wind risk area today includes Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, Davenport, Iowa, and Decatur, Illinois. And there are three areas where we have 5% wind risk areas today. One covering Far-Eastern California, most of Nevada, northwestern Arizona, the western half of Utah, and the very far extreme southwestern tip of Wyoming. A second 5% today covers southern Wyoming, eastern half of Colorado, northwestern Texas, the Texas Panhandle, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Oklahoma, much of Kansas, much of Nebraska, parts of Iowa, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, most of Indiana, southwestern Ohio, most of Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, and far southwestern Virginia. The third 5% wind risk today covers extreme northeastern New York State, northern Vermont, northern half of New Hampshire, and all of Maine. The 5% wind risk areas today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Las Vegas, Nevada, Omaha, Nebraska, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. And now for the hail threat, there are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for today. One that covers southeastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, most of Nebraska, most of Kansas, parts of southwestern and southeastern Iowa, northern Missouri, parts of Illinois, most of Indiana, southwestern Ohio, parts of Kentucky, southwestern West Virginia, and far southwestern Virginia. The other 5% today covers the northeastern corner of New York, northern Vermont, northern half of New Hampshire, and all of Maine. The 5% hail risk areas today include Indianapolis, Indiana, Denver, Colorado, Omaha, Nebraska, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Cincinnati, Ohio. In summary, isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms are possible today from parts of the southern and central high plains to the mid-Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys. Severe gusts capable of wind damage should be the main threat, but occasional hail may also occur. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what those can pull off sometimes. Now I'll have my Day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.